Hello, I'm Michael Kroll, MD, the Medical Director here at the Peak Performance Practice in Johns Creek, Georgia. We offer an individualized weight reduction program structured especially for you. We will aid you in choosing the most appropriate diet for your goal. We do recommend the Medifast program, developed by physicians at Johns Hopkins and with over 25 years of proven success. But diet alone does not produce weight loss for most people. Two other components are very important and are part of whatever program we offer here, and those are physical activity and changing your habits. For those of you who have tried and failed to follow a calorie-restricted diet and have gone down and then up and then down and then up again following each attempt, we are able to offer some adjuncts to assist you in reaching your goals. We offer an injection containing vitamin B12 and 4 fat-burning essential amino acids. This is given as a weekly injection. For those of you who need more help in adapting to your calorie-restricted intake, we offer HCG injections. If you are morbidly obese and have failed in previous attempts to bring your weight down and stick to it, we can offer short-term, medically supervised use of phentermine as a help. As an elective addition to all of the programs, we offer hypnosis, which can be adapted and useful in aiding you in changing your behavior and reaching your goals. Your condition and your weight reduction program will be carefully monitored by Dr. Carrie Kurzel and by me as you progress through your successful weight reduction experience.